We all dream of being millionaires, but the path to wealth isn't always clear. Today, let's dive into 5 careers that have been known to churn out the most millionaires in the US. 1. Investment banker. These folks are the brains behind massive deals and initial public offerings. They play a crucial role in helping companies raise capital, manage mergers, and navigate the complex world of finance. Starting salary, around $120,000 to $150,000 a year. With bonuses and promotions, seasoned bankers can easily pull in over $1 million annually. Sure, the demanding job with long hours, but the financial perks? Unmatched. 2. Tech entrepreneur. In the past couple of decades, technology has been a goldmine for aspiring millionaires. Whether it's apps, e-commerce, or AI startups, digital ventures can skyrocket quickly. You don't have to be the next Zuckerberg. Even small software tools or online shops can make millions. The internet opens up a global market, and with the help of AI and automation, the opportunities are more plentiful than ever. 3. Real estate developer. Real estate is a time-tested way to build wealth. Whether you're buying, renting, or flipping properties, the potential for profit is significant. Many start small with just one rental property. Over time, these investments can snowball into a portfolio worth millions. The best part? You can use bank loans to your advantage as property values tend to rise. 4. Corporate lawyer. While the legal field might not seem glamorous, the top-tier corporate lawyers are raking in the cash. Lawyers who specialize in mergers, intellectual property, or finance can charge hefty fees, thousands of dollars per hour. Partners at big firms often see their income surpass the $1 million mark each year. It requires years of schooling, but the payoff is substantial. 5. Surgeon or specialist doctor. Healthcare is another solid route to millionaire status. Surgeons, cardiologists, and plastic surgeons rank among the highest earners in the profession. Many of them make anywhere from $300,000 to $1 million annually. With high salaries and smart investments in real estate or businesses, they can build long-term wealth. The journey is tough. Education and training take a long time, but the financial rewards can be life-changing. Conclusion: none of these careers will make you rich overnight. They demand years of hard work, dedication, and financial savvy. But if you choose wisely, invest your earnings smartly, and keep your eyes on the prize, you can absolutely become a millionaire. So, I'm curious, if money were no object, which of these careers would you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the millionaire mindset.